Hello everyone, this is Dilip and welcome to this video. In this video, I will explain what is the difference between traditional programming and machine learning. So let's first go to the basic definition of both these terms, and then I will also show you some example to better illustrate this difference. So first, let's go to the definition of programming. Now, programming basically means providing step-by-step instructions to the computer to solve some task. Okay, so here the programmer defines the exact rules or the logic to solve some problem. So this is used when the solution when the process of finding the solution is exactly defined and it is fixed. But on the other hand, when we go to the definition of machine learning, it is also some kind of programming, but the main difference here is that we use the data to find those logics or the rules. So the system learns from the data to find the patterns and trends, and it automatically adapts to those new unseen data to give the outputs. So this is used when writing the exact rules may be very difficult or close to impossible. Now, how it detects patterns and trends from the data is not something that is magic, but there are some basic concepts that it uses, like probability, statistics, linear algebra, and calculus. And it also uses sometimes like the mathematical models, complex models like deep learning models that uses artificial neural network. So let's take the example of a simple cat dog classification. Say we have an input image and we give that image to our machine or the computer, and in the output we want it to correctly classify it as a dog or cat. All right, so how do you go about solving this problem as a traditional programming perspective? So you will have to write the exact rules that defines what the image of a cat looks like and what the image of a dog looks like. But so this would be very difficult, or maybe it's very close to impossible. So this is a complex problem. Now here, what we can do to solve it in a better way is that we can train our machine, we can show our machine some example data sets, like some example images of cats and dogs. So we would train it, we would make it learn what the image of cat looks like, what the image of dogs looks like, and it will learn by its own. So it will learn from these data, and when we give it a new image, then it will give us the output as a cat or a dog image. All right, now the machine learning models are not deterministic. I mean to say that there is some sort of uncertainty associated with them. So we never exactly know what their output will be, even if the input is same for different times. So we speak in terms of accuracy of models, and the answer or the output is not always correctly the actual output. So to conclude this, I would say that in programming, we actually hard code the logic to solve the problem, but in machine learning, we program the machine in such a way that it learns the logic from the data. So we use the concepts in probability, statistics, linear algebra, calculus, all these maths, and we achieve the results, the results that are actually very close to the actual output. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.